Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the best baked lemon pepper chicken. This lemon chicken is super easy to make. It makes for the perfect weeknight dinner or those hurried nights when you need to throw something together fast. It only takes a few minutes of your time to get it in the oven cooking. Lay 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts out into a lightly greased 9x13 pan. You could also use 6 chicken breasts or just 2 or 8, whatever you need to feed your family. This recipe also works for chicken thighs. It just takes a little bit longer of a cooking time. Drizzle your breasts with a little bit of olive oil and rub it in. And then you'll also drizzle on the juice from 1 lemon, which is about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Rub that in as well and let it sink to the bottom. The lemon juice adds a nice fresh lemon flavor to this chicken. Next, we're going to put together a quick spice mix. You'll need 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper, 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And give this a quick stir. Then we'll take this seasoning and sprinkle it generously over our chicken breasts. It doesn't matter how evenly you coat it, because then we're gonna rub it in and then flip it over and do the other side as well. And that's it. This is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Chicken needs to be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, so your actual cooking time may vary a little bit depending on the size and thickness of your chicken breasts. Serve these up hot and garnish them with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley and lemon slices if you want to make it look pretty, or if you just need to get dinner on the table fast, just serve it up as is. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.